Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch the videos on my channel. Yeah, I always appreciate guys, your love keeps me going. So yeah, today's a very windy and dusty day. You can just see up in the sky how it's looking. It's so windy and dusty today. Yeah. Don't forget just to update you about everything at the garden and the orchard. We check out on how the bananas that we planted and the plantain. We check out on how the onions are growing. Yeah. Let's take a walk together. Let's view the place together as I update you on everything that is happening at the farm. Yeah. It's really a dusty day today. So much dust. You can't even walk properly without your sunglasses because the eyes just end up having sore eye or yeah. So guys, if that you can see from far how the onions look. Yeah. Anyway, let's get closer and see. So one of the guys is weeding just to keep the onions clean. Yeah, look at this. You can see guys how clean the onions look now. They're different from before. Yeah. Before there's so much weed in the onions, but now this guy is doing a good job while he's weeding the onions, and now they look clean. Huh? So here we've just been putting manure, chicken manure in the onions. These look big already. They'll be ready anytime soon. We even got some maize because remember this was the field where we had planted maize. We had maize everywhere in this place. I really love how the onions are looking. Look guys how dusty it is. Just look how the sky is looking. The dust. It's so dusty today, so dusty. People who are walking will end up looking like they're just walking up from dirt or so or something because of the dust. Look how big the onions are looking. Looking so big. The onions are looking so big. So just to update you about the onions guys, this is how the onions look like at this time. So let's go and check on the plantains. Yeah, how they planted the plantain and how they finished up with the bananas. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with the plantain, showing you the plantain. This area was meant to be for the plantains. Yeah, because as I say, they're gonna be separate areas. The plantains will be by themselves, the bananas will be by themselves. Yeah. So This is how they planted the plantains. This is how they planted the plantains. I just hope these plantains are gonna catch. So this section is gonna be of plantains, yeah. Gonna have plantains only in this section. So this section ends from here. This section is gonna be plantains only. And I think one of these purple trees is gonna go. It's gonna be cut down because purples don't even last. Yeah? They don't last for years, a lot of years. They just end up falling down. Yeah, so now I'm gonna check on the bananas. Gonna check on the bananas. Some bananas we had to call back the people that we got the bananas from, where we bought the bananas from, because I had to replace some bananas because there's some bananas that don't look good. Yeah, some bananas that don't look good. So let me just show you how the bananas look. This is how they planted the bananas. Some of them look so small and tiny. I just hope they're gonna catch. Yeah, fingers crossed. I just pray they're gonna catch. Yeah, so all this section is gonna be bananas. Yeah, sweet William bananas. Like I said, that other section, the plantains, then this section is gonna be bananas, sweet William bananas. In the near future, we're hoping to also try out to plant what do you call them? The Cavendish bananas. Yeah. So already on this side, I like how it looks. Yeah. The bananas really look good. I can just imagine how our orchard is gonna be. I can just imagine how our orchard is gonna be. It's really, really gonna look nice. I can imagine when the sugar canes grow that side, and all the bananas start to, catch up and grow. It's gonna be a big orchard. Some of the bananas already looking good. They already look promising. It's gonna be a lovely orchard because at least it's been a distance from home, whereby I'll have to come all the way from home, come here, have peace of mind, and just eat whatever I find. If it's bananas this season, just eat bananas, or if it's the sugar canes this season, I just eat the sugar canes. If it's mangoes season, just come and eat my mangoes. If it's a pawpaws, just like that. So this is a very, very lovely orchard. To me, I'm really happy, that we started this orchard. So far this is how our orchard is looking, our banana orchard. This is how banana orchard, guys, is looking. so happy to have an orchard like this. It's not just a small orchard, guys. We're still planting more bananas and more sugar canes and more plantain. So it's gonna be a big orchard. It's gonna be a big orchard. Because all this area, all this place where I'm working on, it's just bananas only. Let's check on the sugar canes. We're waiting for the sugar canes. So on the sugar canes, we only got the. So let's check on the sugar canes and see how the sugar canes are doing. Yeah. So we've got here we've planted 2 types of sugar canes. Yeah, we've got the red. This one is the red sugar canes. Yeah, this one is the red sugar cane. The color looks so healthy. This is the red sugar canes. And then this side, we've got the white sugar canes. Have the white sugar canes. I just love the sound of these bamboos. Yeah, a different type of bamboo. I love the sound of it when the wind blows. So we wanna have 3 types. We wanna plant 3 types. Already we've got 2 types of sugar canes: the white sugar canes and the red sugar canes. So we want to buy the black sugar canes. There's so much color here. Wow. There's a lot of color. I love color. That's really for the sugar canes. There's a lot of color, yeah. There's a lot of color in the sugar canes. But at some point, I'm sure all this has to be weeded. Out to give space and enough air for the sugar canes. Yep. The sugar canes needs to be free, not to be plastered like this with some weeds in callaloo. I like callaloo so much. And there's different type of callaloo. There's the red. This is the red callaloo, and this is the white callaloo. Though in Zambia, it's not commonly known as callaloo. We call it wondwe. Yeah, we call it wondwe. That's what we call it in Zambia. So this is the section for sugar canes section, sugar canes orchard. All these. I can't wait for all these things to grow. Yeah. I can't wait for all this to grow. So from that side where I've come from, this end, guys, can you imagine how much sugar cane we're gonna have? I'm gonna have a lot of sugar canes, and this side we've not even planted yet. Can you imagine how much sugar canes we're gonna have? I just love this place already. I already love this place. So as you can see, these structures that have already been made, like bridges, that are prepared for the next sugar canes that is gonna be planted, which is the black sugar canes, and we need more of the red and white sugar canes as well. So there's some holes left that we need to plant more bananas, because right now just 150 bananas are planted. Yeah, so we need more bananas to start planting, so that our orchard, so that we can continue with our orchard. That's how it looks. I just hope these kind of bananas will catch, because they look a bit dry. It's a very, very quiet place, very nice place where you get a peace of mind. Remember guys how it was before? This place, it was a bush, but look now, this place has changed. It looks nice. Every weeds have been cleared. All the unwanted trees have been stamped. It looks good now. It really looks good. As you're watching guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video with your friends and families. Also watch the video to the end. Like I was saying, help me reach that 1,000 subscribers, and let's put up those watch hours. Yeah, so guys, like I said, yeah, for now we've only planted 150 bananas, but like I said, this is gonna be a big orchard. Yeah, so you see all that mango trees, yeah, all that area is gonna be an orchard of bananas. Like I said, we're also gonna try the Cavendish bananas. So this whole orchard is gonna take right through that end where our demarcation is. You can see those trees? Those trees, yeah. That's where our demarcation is. That's where we're gonna take the orchard through right up to that end, that far end. Yeah. All this side is gonna be bananas, yeah. So the plan for the bananas is to plant 1,500 to 2,000 bananas, yeah. That's the plan, that's the goal. All this you see, it's gonna be bananas all the side, yeah. It's gonna be a big orchard, guys. It's gonna be a big orchard. So all this side, like I showed you that demarcation, I've said this section is bananas. So the demarcation is on the well, yeah. That hand pump, the well. Go with this side. It's all just gonna be bananas. So guys, like I said before, I've moved from the section for the bananas. So now we're in the section like I showed you, yeah, for the plantain. So this is where the plantains start from. So this whole section, guys, like I said, it's gonna hold about 300 to 500 plantain suckers, yeah. So like I showed you guys to say, look at how tiny the plantains are that I bought They're really tiny, guys. It's very difficult in Zambia to find plantain. Yeah, so if you're Zambian and you're watching my video right now, guys, please, if you know where I can get good suckers for plantain, help me out. Yeah, you just comment and let me know where I can get good suckers for plantain. Otherwise, it was a hassle for me to buy these plantains, and already you can see they're not looking all that good. Yeah, but I really don't know much about suckers, about these things, but I just hope they're gonna grow. I just hope they're gonna catch up. Yeah. So, like, as for me, as I know that in Zambia we do not know much about the plantain. Yeah. But the fact that this farm is all about Jamaican. Yeah, it's a Jamaican farm. So, like in Jamaica, plantain is one of the main dishes in Jamaica. Yeah, so we're also trying to get to have our own plantain. Yeah, so I would really appreciate. So guys, I would really appreciate if any of my fellow Zambian is watching this video, and if you know a place where I can get good plantains, can you please comment in the comment section? Yeah, because this it's so tiny and they're so small. So I would really appreciate, guys, if any of you can suggest a place for me to find good plantains, because we want to cover up this place with plantain, this section, with 300 to 500 plantains. Yeah, all these pawpaw trees, like I said, by next year they're gonna be removed. Yeah, because we've got so much pawpaws in the new orchard. In the new orchard, we've got so much pawpaws. Yeah, we've got a lot of pawpaws in the new orchard at home. So these by next year, I'm sure they'll be not of use. Like I said, pawpaws don't even last for a long time. Yeah. So this cassava as well is gonna come out. Yeah. Yeah, this cassava is gonna come out because we need to make use of this space to plant the plantains. Yeah. Guys, do you know anything about cassava? For those who know anything about cassava, you can comment in the comment section. So all this area is gonna be used for plantain. Yeah, cassava is nice. I like cassava, and the leaves as well. You can cook as relish. I don't know who have eaten it before. You can let me know, guys, if you've eaten before the leaves, cassava leaves as relish. They're very nice and nutritious. Yeah, so this area, or this area, is going to be plantains, guys. Yeah, please guys, as you're watching, if you know a place in Zambia where I can get good plantains, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, I would really appreciate it. If you're watching, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, so this is the update that I have for you here at the orchard that is at the stream. This is the update that I have for you. This is what's going on so far. This is where we are at right now. Yeah, keep on watching. So guys, I'm back home in our new orchard. Just checking out how it's doing. It's been long ever since I came to check out the new orchard. Yeah. It's a soursop, but in that space we have a lot of soursops that we've just planted. I think there are about 90 soursops. Look at all the purples have grown. Purple trees. like I said, from there, that's the reason why by next year those purples are going to be cut down, because we've got so many purples here. We've got a lot of purple trees. These are the male purples. And this is an avocado. Got an ackee, it's so healthy, an ackee tree. And we've got moringa tree. Just got so many purples in this orchard. Got a lot of purples. The bubbles. Looking so good. And this is a sweet sap. An avocado there. Purple avocados. Purples all the way. Avocados are looking good, are looking healthy. So this line is just a line of avocados. Yeah, this line is a line of sweet saps. So let's go check out in the garden as well. So guys, I've come to show you at the back of the Part-2 building our garden. We've got pumpkin leaves now. I'm happy that our pumpkin leaves are really growing this much. Yeah. I really love pumpkin leaves and kalalu. Have you ever like eaten pumpkin leaves? You mix it with kalalu. It really tastes nice. Or you eat you prepare the pumpkin leaves with you mix with garden egg. It's really nice, especially rain season. So especially in rain season, guys, it's really nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, so this is our pumpkin leaves at the back of the Part-2 building. And these are some of our green peppers, and we've got okra as well, and green peppers that are out of season. And we have dug out the garlic. This used to be garlic, and the onions as well. We started digging out the onions. This is the so guys, I was showing you the onions as well. Anytime soon we're gonna start digging them out because Yeah, the ground now. They're reaching stage one, but they need to be dug out. Look how big this green paper looks. The green peppers are really doing good. The green peppers are really doing good. Oh, these are green peppers. See how good they are, how they're looking. My love for green pepper in all the relishes. I have to add green pepper when I'm cooking. It's really hot. Yeah, it's at 31 degrees Celsius. Lusaka, Zambia. These are the peppers. Like I said, our garden at the back of the poultry building. This is how it's looking for now. We really need to water from time to time because the heat is just too much. Our vegetables were attacked by some insects. I don't know what they are, but we've been trying to spray. You can see how badly they look. Yeah, we've been trying to spray so that we can get rid of whatever is destroying the vegetables. And we'll cross over to the eggplants. These are eggplants, yeah. They also need a lot of water. This is how big the eggplants have become. They've really grown. The eggplants have really grown as well. They're bearing so much. They'll bear more if we continue watering. If we water a lot. Then we've got the cherry tomatoes. Like I said, that we have tomatoes all around the farm. Tomatoes are everywhere. Still got more of the eggplant here. And then we've got the garden egg. The garden eggs, the way it looks small, they look tiny. Maybe they need more water. They really look tiny. Yeah, they're really tiny. I think they need more water. Yeah. So this is how our garden is looking at this moment, guys. We just need more water for our garden to flourish. Yeah. Because as for now, we're still depending on electricity. It would be better if we have solar. Yeah. Solar backup system. It would be easier if we have a solar backup system. Because for now, we're just depending on the electricity from this company called Zesco. And it's difficult. It's difficult right now as I'm speaking. We don't even have electricity. I don't know since what time. Yeah. This is what I had for you. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's grow together. Let's grow the channel together. Thank you to my returning subscribers as usual for your love and your support. Yeah. For me now it's bye bye. Until next time.